Hello, and welcome to another video of CodeBot for SAP SuccessFactors. In today's demo, we will learn how to update manage calibration templates in Calibration using CodeBot. Start by clicking on the Calibration module tile. Then enter into your workspace and open the workbook to the Manage Calibration Templates tab. Here, enter a new calibration template in column B. In column C and column D, select True from the drop-down. Continue to add the data in column E and column F. Across the divider, add the calibration template in column H. And drag it down to 3 more rows. Enter data source in column I. In column J and column K, copy the data from above and paste it in the rows below. Move to column M and enter the calibration template. And drag it down to 8 more rows. Next, select the data elements data source for each row from the drop-down in column N. Copy the data from the rows above and then paste it in the rows below in column O label. Select either true or false from the drop-down for each row in column P element state. And in column R, select false in all 4 rows. Now, navigate to column Y and enter the calibration template. In column Z, set guidelines label. Let's copy the data from the rows above and paste in the rows below. Repeat the same step for column AA, set guidelines rating. In column AB operator, select equal from the drop-down and drag it down to 5 more rows. Enter the data in column AC distribution from. Next, move to column AV and enter the calibration template. Select True from the drop-down in column AW, column AX, column AY, and column AZ. Across the divider, select the calibration template from the drop-down in column BB. Then, select True from the drop-down in column BC, column BD, column B, and column BF, and in column BG, select False. Now move to column BI and select the calibration template from the drop-down, then drag it down to 8 more rows. Now enter the user fields to display in column BJ. Select False from the drop-down in column BK and drag it to 8 more rows below. Move to column BM and select Calibration Template from the drop-down. Continue to enter the data in columns BN, BO, and BP. Select either true or false from the drop-down in column BQ, column BR, and column BS. In column BT, select language type, all. Navigate to column BX. And select calibration template from the drop-down and drag it down to 8 more rows. In column BY, copy the data from above and paste it in the rows below. Now, continue to add the data in column BZ, column CA, column CB, and column CC. Move to column CG and enter the calibration template. From column CH onwards up to column CU, select either true or false from the drop-down. Next, add the data in columns CV, CW, and CX. Now, from column CZ onwards up to column DH, select false from the drop-down in each column. Across the divider, move to column DK and select calibration template from the drop-down and drag it down to 2 more rows. In column DL, copy the data from above and paste it in the rows below. Select false from the drop-down for each row in column DM. Now, move to column DP and select calibration template from the drop-down. In column DQ, copy the data from above and paste it in the rows below. Now go back to column DP and drag the calibration template down to 4 more rows. In column DR, select true from the drop-down in each row. Finally, navigate to column DU and select Processing Calibration Template from the drop-down and drag it to 4 rows below. In column DB, select the relevant processing section for each row from the drop-down. And set the processing status to pending in column DW, then drag it down to 4 rows. Close the workbook. Back in CodeBot, click the hamburger menu, then click on Request Reprocess. Click the hamburger menu again, and select Start Configuration. Enter the SAP SuccessFactors password, execution notes. And select Manage Calibration Template from the Advanced options, then click on Confirm and Start. The execution is now processing. Click on the eye icon to track the progress of the execution. Refresh the logs to see the updated information. Once the execution is complete, review the screenshots to see where the changes have been made in the instance. Now, open the workbook and notice that the successfully updated information is highlighted in green. Let's review each and every section in which we entered the data. The processing status is also changed to processed. To verify, open your SuccessFactors instance and under Manage Calibration Templates, notice that the new calibration template has been successfully created. Click on it. Let's review every section to ensure that the data has been accurately updated in the instance using CodeBot. Thank you for watching.